Hi everyone, my name is Jess from Sally Tomato. Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's day 8 of our Holiday Royale Advent unboxing, so let's unwrap some holiday joy. Day 8, a few little notions to complement your next project from our friends at Sulky. Be sure to visit their website at sulky.com. These are stunning. We are very excited to have Sulky part of our Advent box this year. Sulky has included 2 spools of thread for you to enjoy. The first spool of thread is a 50 weight, 100% Egyptian Giza cotton thread. It's an all-purpose thread for piecing, quilting, and general sewing. The recommended needle size for this thread is 70-10. The second spool is a 30 weight poly sparkle thread. This thread is a polyester twisted with hollow shimmer metallic. This thread is soft yet shiny and strong. The medium weight is great for top stitching, decorative stitching, and machine embroidery. The recommended needle size for this thread is 90-14. You may have different colors than what I have inside your Advent box, but you can't go wrong with any of these gorgeous colors. And I wanted to give a huge shout out to Sulky for being involved with this year's Advent box. We're so excited to feature some of our favorite thread for bag making inside the box. We partner with Sulky every year for our annual New Year's Eve sew along. This year's theme is Western chic, and I hope you'll join us to create a stunning bag with optional freestanding lace on New Year's Eve with myself and Ellen March from Sulky. There is still time to sign up and you will have access to the online virtual live event, so you can watch the video over and pause as you sew to create the project along with myself and Ellen. Ellen will be sharing tips for creating freestanding lace and also some bonus bag charms using Sulky thread for embroidery, and I'll be using the thread for constructing the bag, creating the pattern from start to finish. So by the end of the afternoon, you will have a finished project in your hands. It's a really fun event since we have an online chat so you can connect with other sewists around the world as we celebrate the new year. We will also have amazing door prizes during the event. We've added a link below, so I hope you'll check it out and invite your sewing friends too. I'm sure you're excited about today's special item, but if you are enjoying these unboxing videos and the items inside, we have already started planning next year's box. So be sure to subscribe to our newsletter linked below so you will get notified when next year's box is available for pre-order. You don't want to miss out on this holiday fun every year. And as you create projects with today's item, be sure to share with hashtag SewBetterWithSulky and hashtag Sally Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see the incredible projects you're creating. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we will see you tomorrow to unwrap another item. Happy holidays!